Standard 7, lesson number 9, heat. Students, we are going to see this point, expansion and contraction of a solid substance due to heat. So students, by this experiment, we can understand after heating, this is a metal ball, and after heating this size will increase, that will be expand. Okay, and whenever we cool it afterward, that will contract and it will be come in same size. Okay, see, apparatus, a metal ring, a metal ball, a burner, etc. Activity 1. Take a metal ring and metal ball, such a size that ball just passes through the ring. Whenever it cool, it will pass through the ring. Okay, heat the ball and check whether it passes. Okay students, whenever we heat this ball, it will expand. Okay, the size will become bigger. Then it will not pass from this ring. Now let the ball cool down and check whether it passes through the ring. Yes, after cooling, what happened? This contract. Okay, solid expand due to heat and come back to original state. If heat is removed, however, the extent which different solid expand is different. Next experiment, expansion and contraction of liquid due to heat. So what is this experiment? What is the experiment prove? We will see that when a liquid is heated, the distance between these particles increases. Okay, and its volume too increases. This is called the expansion of liquid. When its temperature falls, the liquid contracts. Okay, so which apparatus we will see? We will take that 500 ml conical flask, to hold rubber stopper. This is rubber stopper and this is a conical flask. Glass tube, measuring ruler. This is glass tube. This is glass tube, and this is a thermometer. Okay, stand, wire gauze. This is wire gauze, and burner and a graph paper. Procedure: fill the conical flask completely with water. Insert the glass tube and the thermometer in two holes. This thermometer and this is a glass tube. Okay. Then take the record. Okay, take the record of water level by the ruler. Record the water level in the glass tube every 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Whenever we can see that 2 degree rise in temperature, we have to check the level of the water. Take about 10 readings. Observe what happens when reading is that heating is stopped. Draw a graph to show change in water level as the temperature rises. That means students, we can observe whenever the liquid substance will heat, that will be size will be increase. Okay, that volume will be increase of these liquids. Next experiment, expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. So what are the apparatus? Glass bottle, balloon, hot water, etc. Procedure: fix a balloon on the mouth of a glass bottle. Hold this bottle in hot water. What happens? The volume of a gas increases on heating. This is called expansion of the gas. On the other hand, on removing heat, the volume of gas decreases. This is called contraction of the gas. By this experiment, we understand after heating, that volume of gas also increase. Okay, and after cooling, that will become and in the same value. Okay, now next one, thermos flask, Dewar flask. Why it is called as Dewar flask? See, this is a scientist. Sir James Dewar was a Scottish scientist. He made the first thermos flask in 1892. That is why it is called Dewar flask. Even today, the Dewar flask is used for keeping a substance cold or hot. Let us see some information about the thermos flask. You might have seen the thermos flask used for keeping tea, coffee, milk hot or sherbet cold for long time. What is its structure and how does it function? This is double wall flask. It consists of two glass tubes, one inside and other with the gap between them sealed. The surfaces of both the tubes are made shiny by silver coating. The air between two tubes is removed to create a vacuum. There is a protective jar of metal or plastic outside the tube. For the protection of flask, pieces of sponge or rubber are mixed between the outer jar and the flask. See here, this is the thermos flask and this is silver coating by the two surfaces. Okay, and the air between the two tubes removed create vacuum. Here is a vacuum, means there is no medium. There is no medium. Okay, there is protective jar of metal or plastic outside tubes. And for the protection of the flask, pieces of sponge, rubber are fixed between the outer jar and the flask. Okay, this is a glass apparatus inside and outside is that sponge or rubber. See, function of the thermos. What is the function of the thermos flask? When a hot substance is placed in the thermos flask, the heat going out gets reflected due to the shining surface of the inner tube. Hence, heat is not radiated. Neither conduction nor convection of the heat occurs because of the vacuum. Here is vacuum. Okay. As a result, heat is not transferred to outer cooler region and is retained inside for long time. That means substance will be that heat or substance will be hot or cold so much longer time. See, as a result, heat is not transferred to outer cooler region and is retained inside for long time. Still, a little heat is lost from around lid and by a small amount of conduction through the glass. Therefore, the hot substance does not remain as hot after 2 or 3 hours.